Hi guys, I'm back again today with another video, and today we're checking out Air France A340 takeoff again at St Maarten, and this is a close-up, I believe. Let me check it. Yeah, up close and personal. So anyways, we are going to be checking out two videos today. One is this Air France video, and another one is music. So yeah, watch both if you're interested. But anyways, yeah, let's see what this is all about. Before we do start, don't forget to subscribe, click the bell button, and let's get it. It's only me. France. Airplanes are fascinating. I didn't mention that like a billion times already in the last two videos. Fascinating how human beings built this, engineered this, and fly this. Like, it doesn't make sense, but it's like waving. But it's a thing. It's a thing. Wow. Crazy. We have an Airbus A340. Air France. Airbus A340. Flying to Paris. I'm left thinking. We'll be taking off. I don't know how they announce this shenanigans.
Takeoff 1 through Air France 499
Do you guys see the meme wherein it's like, why is it that when the pilot speaks, it's always like, you know, it's all noise. And it's true. Sometimes you don't know. You just hear, this is Captain Ryan Seacrest, and then the rest of it you don't understand anymore. Doesn't make sense. Look at the sand. It's like blowing the sand. Oh, I thought it took off already. So it's just a windy day, I guess. I mean, we can literally hear it's a windy day. It's a windy day. Damn, look at that. How the llama is this a thing? It's crazy, isn't it? I can't believe we're sitting here watching planes take off and land. No, don't tell me. Oh no, what the family. I just sat down. I was getting comfy. I forget that this video is super short. That's the reason why I'm doing the other video that was requested, because I'm like, yeah, me sitting here for 3 minutes watching a takeoff video of a plane. I don't think a lot of people care, to be honest. Like, I care about it, but I don't think you care that I will want to watch this. That's the thing. But if you did care, give this video a like. I don't know why, but thank you. We are odd people. The people who watch this video, a 3 minute video of a plane taking off, we are weird, okay? But a good weird, okay? A unique weird. I mean, that's the point of a weird. So, or maybe you just like listening to my annoying voice. Maybe that's why. But regardless, you're still very, very, like, thanks to you. Like, if you can stand my voice, then you have a problem. But thank you for having that problem, because then at least like 2 people watch me. Thank you guys for joining, and I will see you in the next video, which will be uploaded same time as this. Maybe you guys watched that already before this even. But anyways, thank you guys, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.